Hi, I'm Victoria Costa, the CEO and founder of Credit Fix Solutions and director of Credit Fix Lawyers. And I'd just like to explain in 3 easy steps how you can apply for our no result, no fee credit repair services. So number 1 is to obtain a copy of your credit report. Now, there are 4 credit reporting agencies in Australia, but don't worry, we just want you to start with your Equifax credit report. And their website is www.mycreditfile.com.au. Go and get a free copy of your personal report. You won't get your credit score, but that's not important right now. We want to see what's on your credit report, which is what's affecting your credit score, or potentially you've been knocked back for a loan recently. So go and grab a copy of your credit report from Equifax. Then you can simply email it to our scenarios team. We're based in Sydney. I have a lovely team of 5 people here at the Home Office, all helping consumers across the country with their inquiries. So email us a copy of your credit report to sales@creditfixsolutions.com.au. One of our lovely scenario experts will get back to you with your inquiry, and we can go from there. So we'll offer you a free assessment. That's your 3rd and final easy step to apply for our services. If we decide that you have a case where we believe that we can help improve your credit report by removing unfair negative data, we'll take you on. The process is around 3 to 8 weeks, and you only pay us if we can get you a successful result. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for tuning into this video.